Hi there, my name is JC Von Kraywick with JCK Designs. I specialize in creating resin geodark. My go-to resin when creating my pieces is UltraClear Epoxy. UltraClear has a range of different products, but my favorite is the Art and Craft Epoxy. The viscosity is so perfect. It allows me to keep my colors separated as well as create stunning effects when I just work it with my heat gun or my torch. The final coats are flawless and so easy to achieve, and the UV resistance really keeps my pieces beautiful over time, which really is important to me. I cannot recommend this enough. I think all of my fellow artists and art lovers alike would absolutely love this resin as much as I do.